What is up, you guys? Sam Bragg here. Today I'm going to be unboxing House of Pain, same as it ever was, like a no CD. Yep, here's something that you could read, like a no. Yep, here's something on there which I'm not going to read. If you'd like to read, if you want to, pause and read if you want to. Here's the spine. Let me just focus there a sec, by the way. Here's the spine. The back. Here's the songs on there if you'd like to read. Let's get this open. Be back once I get this open. I will be, guys. Now let's open this up. Be back once I get this there. What came inside is this little booklet and stuff. I'd like to pause and read all this if you guys would like to. Here's the music. Here is the disc as well, with all the songs on there. That was it for this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and peace out.